I have a joke to tell you. You may or may not like it. There's this guy hops into a taxi and he's sitting there in the front seat with the taxi driver, and the guy looks at him, he says, what are those pills for, driver? And the taxi driver says to him, they're smart pills. And the guy goes, what do you do with smart pills? And he says, well, try one, see if you get smarter. He goes, well, don't mind if I do. So he grabs a pill, and a couple of minutes goes by, and he says to the taxi driver, I don't feel any smarter. The taxi driver says, well, I'll take another one. And he goes, all right, don't mind if I do. So he grabs another one. A couple more minutes go by, and he says to the driver, I don't feel any smarter. The driver says, take another one then. So he goes, all right, and chomps on another one, and has a little bit of a look at, bit of a sniff, and he says, this tastes like sheep shit to me. And the taxi driver says, you're getting smarter.
Okay, just to give you an idea of what we're doing here, we are going to be raising this roof by 200. As a rotisserie, we have to jack up and down a little bit to be able to twist the whole car around. So we want to just raise the roof and rotate it. Yeah, so there we go. We got it raised 200. We are free to twist it without having to jack it up and down now, which is absolutely awesome to do. Now, just to show you what we got here on the, hang on, you have to twist it down?
I'm in it.
Oh, he's in it. All right, so we've got a bit of side sill left that we didn't drill out, so we're going to try and get that one out, and then get the rest of the side sill in and fix some of the rust. Happy days. Okay, I've got to pull this off, recondition it. We're going to put it on the new one, which is down there. So, doing a couple of pilot holes on the spot welds, and we'll got this bad boy to get it out. Alrighty, got it off. I'm going to fix it up, try and make it look new again. Couple little things been doing. New plate here, new plate here, another one in here, which you can't see from this angle. We're starting to drill out the side sill and mark it up. We're going to get it in. Happy days. Moment of truth is finally here. It's going in. Done. Explain what we've been struggling with here for the last, I don't know, hour and a half.
Well, I don't want to.
Aftermarket parts, what can we say? They don't fit great. We're bashing and bending and going to do some welding and get it all in and make it fit perfect. It's just taking its sweet, sweet time. raining.
Good morning. I thought it was time we had a bit of an update and chat about what's been happening. A lot of time lapse and I haven't done much explaining, so here's a quick explanation. You could probably see that quite well. With this outer quarter sill here, it's all welded in now. I'll show you that in just a minute. And it's like peeling an onion or putting an onion back together in this case. And so I cut this piece in half, which has just been a blessing. They should come in 2 pieces really. And so you can weld this piece in and stuff, and then this one can go on the outside. So that's what I wanted to show you with that. And this particular piece, which comes from Rare Spares originally, it's not beautiful, and but anyway, with a bit of finessing it does go in. And so I'll show you the rest of the seal. In fact, what I'll do is, with the magic of editing, I'll get it all off and ready to go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that doesn't show you much, so I'm going to rip you off the wall here. So this is the seatbelt bracket that Josh did and welded in, and it's beautiful and solid. And other than the fact that I think they're a little bit under, you know, built, but I guess they've been working well for 50 years. So do that. Bit of grinding here, all welded in here into the front spring hanger section. I'm just going to pull this down, so there we go. And this is how this all works. It's nice to have this all rust free. Everything here, it's all rust free now. It's beautiful. And that's how that all ties in. It's all welded to the spring hanger. Strong as. And so yeah, so that's about it. All the floor, I'm going to walk around, and I don't even know what you call these pieces, the torque box bits, and that's all in, welded. It's been a long road. I mean, it looks so simple and easy like that, but it's actually just a lot of work in preparation. The welding doesn't take that long, it's just all in the preparation. We're going into the other side now. Here we are on the other side, and of course this is where Josh did all that fantastic welding. He did a good job. His back is so much better than mine. And then we have a little plate to put in there. It's all good and solid. I also wanted to mention that well, the decision to make to leave the inner sill, like the door jamb sill, in position and not taken out, and not unpick it around the pillars and stuff. And that's been probably a lot of work, but the best decision I could have ever made. The car it's just exactly where it should be. I don't know, it's a worry. It's a trouble-free. It's going to be a trouble-free experience putting the doors back in, which is I just hate lining up doors. What can I say? Yeah, so it was a lot of trouble, but well worth the effort to get this thing in solid and stuff. So if anybody wants to know it's possible, yes. If your outer sill is the inner, you know, like the door jamb part is all in good nick, I suggest you leave it in, pick around it, and fit this piece in, just slide it in and then weld it. It goes in just fine, beautifully in fact. You couldn't ask for a better fit. And because sometimes you've got to watch, you don't blame the blame the components when the car's bounced out of position. And just the fact that this fit like a glove is just an indication that the car is originally still in its original position. Anyway, Nuru.
It is welded in. Officially.
Welded in, everything. One of the hardest things to do was this rare spares thing here. I had to end up cutting it in half, which I think I've mentioned already. And, but it's buttoned up, and it's buttoned up on the inside, and there's no rust, and it's solid, and it's straight. We'll just grind off the welds and check it and the thing, and we put body chutes on the inside, or some seam sealer on the inside as well, as I would do some on the outside, so no water's going to get in. We remembered to put the water drain plugs in, or whatever you want to call them, slots.
On either side.
And on the end here, which was a little bit of a mission. Got that beautiful little plate in that I love so much. And I ended up using the old piece of the old sill here because it was just the right original shape, and I just wanted it to look original perfectly. And the thicker 2mm sill was very difficult to shape. I just couldn't shape it to the original shape that I wanted. So
we'll call it that.
This is what it was. It was close, but no cigar.
Yeah, that was.
So that was going to be that one.
I thought you're doing pretty good.
I mean, I would have done it a pinch, but I didn't want to use any bog. This doesn't need any bog. This one, it just wouldn't have been the same. And original.
Well, I think
almost OEM.
Oh yeah, that's right. We'll probably wrap it on this video on that.
Yeah.
And we've got to decide whether or not we want to do that sill next, or just have a little break from.
Next, we're going to do the wheel tub. The wheel tub's going in, and then we've got a couple of little tiny bits of plates to put inside there while it's good access. So when we've done that, we'll put this plate on, and this body panel on, the wheel tub, and then we start here. And this is it's pretty ugly here. It's sort of
looking pretty average, isn't it?
But it'll come good. It'll come good.
Oh, and can you lift the car back? Can someone tell us? Oh, search for the hand.
I'm almost sure they're for speakers.
Those holes are for just one either side. Are they speaker holes? Let us know, please.
The XW doesn't have them, only the XY. So, yeah, if they're genuine or not. So that's it.
All right.
And if anybody has got a completely finished XY ute that they don't want anymore, we'd love to have it, and I'll give you this one.
All right, signing out.